Welcome to Mama Princesses. Welcome to Mama Princesses.
Hi guys. So we are back with more of the Squish-Dee-Lish, but this time it is World of Nintendo by Jack's Pacific, and it's a Squeeze Me. So there's Super Mario Squishies.
Yay!
Yay! We love Super Mario.
I'll get the
Yeah, so your choices are Shy Guy, Mescache, Goomba, the Turtle Shell, Green Turtle Shell, Bullets, the Mystery Block, and Boo. So let's see who we get. Here, Bobby. Open up, what you get?
Thanks, Mama. What?
Way, we got the bullets. We got the bullets. So cool. He looks like a shark. You squeeze it. It's not really slow, but it's kind of fast. Oh, it has this in the back. Oh, cool.
Oh, what?
Okay, so
Let's do it.
yes, and this AJ got Goomba. He looks mad. They're not as soft and slow rising as the Disney Tsum Tsums, but I mean it's so cool.
It's like a cheese.
It looks like a cheese. It does, huh? So now Riley got the mystery one. It's a mystery block. It has the question marks. Oh, this one's like really soft. So cute. Ooh. You should have a Mario. Oh, another bullets. Wow, you got a bullet. No mouthies, baby. So this one is Shy Guy. Shy Guy. I don't know. I've never seen this one. He kind of looks like that guy, that scary guy with the mask, Jason. So we got two bullets, a mystery, Goomba, and this Shy Guy.
It's like a mushroom.
It is like a mushroom. Good job. They're not as soft as
Tsum Tsum.
the Tsum Tsums or slow rising. They don't really, you know, it's not slow at all. But they're still pretty cool. So it has in the back by Jack's Pacific. Do you like them, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite? The mystery box. You got the one you wanted. Yeah. I know. My favorite is the bullet. I think it's bullet's cool because it has like the target in the back. Awesome.
It's like a circle.
It is like a circle.
Is it target?
It's a target. Okay.
It's a story.
Let us know what your favorite is in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. These are so squishy.